Hi, this is Madhu. Welcome to CyberTalk. It is extremely common for large organizations to have a mix of on-premise information technology setup as well as IT spread across multiple cloud vendors. Especially with cloud adoption catching up at rapid pace, a hybrid cloud environment is quite common today. Hence, the organizations are left with either existing on-premise IT setup along with either evolving cloud or an already established cloud setup. How to solve the identity and access management problem for such setups? That is the topic of discussion today. The challenge with such scenarios is that identity and access management for such organizations need to cater to a wide variety of use cases. The moment we are faced with such a question, we tend to look for a tool or one-stop solution that can solve this problem. When you start researching about solving the identity and access management for a hybrid cloud environment, you get hundreds of vendor tools claiming they can solve your problem. Potentially, they confuse you more than solve your problem. Hence, before getting into solution mode, we need to look at some of the key aspects. Firstly, what is your cybersecurity strategy? You might see this as a common theme, but cybersecurity strategy is one of the most important key considerations. The reason why this is the most important consideration is that your cybersecurity strategy would have been crafted based on the kind of business you are in. Secondly, what is your real problem statement? We tend to jump into solution mode before even defining the problem statement clearly. Depending on your cybersecurity strategy, which should already be aligned with the corporate strategy, you need to understand where is your organization headed. Depending on this, clearly define hybrid cloud problem you need to solve. Then next consideration is, do you already have an identity and access management platform? If your organization already has an IAM setup catering to on-premise assets, any new solution you're trying to bring in needs to be compatible with the existing IAM product. You have a clear direction around how you would be managing the identities going forward. Do you need brand new IAM solution that can handle both on-premise and cloud assets? Or do you need identity integration platform to integrate cloud assets with existing IAM platform? Some of the questions you need to answer. Then, is your IAM custom built or a vendor product? If you have an in-house IAM platform catering to on-premise assets, there could be room for expanding its use cases for cloud assets. Then another important consideration is, what is your information technology landscape? This is a very important one. The hybrid cloud IAM problem doesn't limit itself to IAM aspects. Onboarding IT assets to the IAM platform requires integration between the asset and the IAM platform. Hence, knowing the IT landscape in detail is a must-have. Finally, the technology field has been fast-paced throughout its evolutionary history. Cloud adoption has increased the pace even further, especially post-COVID-19 pandemic. A plethora of cybersecurity products in the market are great development to support the growth, but the landscape is very much confusing for the organizations who are in the urgency of addressing the security risks. The sense of urgency is around mitigating security risk is a welcome step, but the lack of due diligence will land your organization into even more challenging situations. Hence, take careful steps in solving your hybrid cloud problem. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.